Do you want blazing fast storage for your PC or your PlayStation 5? Then make sure to stick around until the end, because today we're taking a look at a true top-tier model with serious performance and tons of space. The Samsung SSD with 4 terabytes. Whether it's worth buying, you'll find out right now. The Samsung SSD is no lightweight. It comes with a massive 4 terabytes of storage and is clearly aimed at power users, gamers, and content creators. But what makes it special? Let's start with speed. With up to 7,450 megabytes per second for reads and nearly 7,000 for writes, it's pushing the limits of what PCIe 4.0 can deliver. In everyday use, that means games and large projects launch almost instantly. Files are moved in seconds and loading screens. Pretty much a thing of the past. On top of that, it also excels at random access performance. When lots of small bits of data need to be processed quickly one after another, like during system boot, or when opening many programs at once. That's a real advantage, especially for gaming PCs and high-performance workstations. Samsung relies here on its proven vNAND technology and an in-house controller. This setup is supported by a 4GB LPDDR4 cache, which helps keep large data transfers smooth and consistent. Thermal performance is also important. High performance generates heat. Samsung addresses this with its dynamic thermal guard, which monitors temperatures and automatically adjusts performance before things get critical. A nice bonus, the SSD is single-sided, making it especially compact and compatible with many laptops and consoles, including the PS5. Another big plus is the software. With Samsung Magician, you can see all the key info about the SSD, update the firmware, optimize performance, and monitor drive health, all with just a few clicks. In terms of price, this SSD clearly sits in the premium segment, but in return you get a product that regularly earns top marks in reviews, offers excellent durability, and comes with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. So, if you're looking for a reliable, extremely fast SSD with a lot of storage, whether for gaming, 4K video editing, or large project files, this model is absolutely worth a look. As always, you'll find the link to the deal in the description. So, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this model? Pros: extremely high read and write speeds, huge 4 terabyte storage capacity, excellent performance with lots of small files, compact design, ideal for laptops and consoles, intuitive management software. Cons: high price, overkill for office work and everyday use. Write speed slightly slower than smaller models. If you're looking for the best of the best when it comes to speed, capacity, and reliability, this Samsung model is definitely worth considering. You'll find the current price and availability, as always, in the video description. Be sure to check it out. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, share your thoughts or questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more exciting tech reviews.